Your journey today will focus on nurturing a sense of compassion for your loved ones. Compassion will not only help you drop judgments and feel more connected with your loved ones, it will also strengthen your own resolve to live a life of freedom. If you were to look at our society, you'd find that in general, we lack an ongoing education about the values of nurturing compassion. Of course, the problem is that many times we're not even educated about the importance of practicing self-compassion. If we do not know how to care for ourselves with love, why would we consider cultivating compassion for others? When we learn to become aware of ourselves and embrace our truth with peace, then we would quickly realize how we are all one in our experiences. We may come from different cultures, may be governed by different belief systems, but at a fundamental level, we are all one. We are one in our experience of being human. For instance, we all go through moments of anxiety and fear. What one person feels anxious about may vary from another. The context may vary, the triggers may vary, but the way we experience it is the same. It's an unpleasant inner discomfort, and no one wants to suffer it. The same also goes for love. We all want to experience love. We all seek for it. It is one of the most beautiful experiences we can have and offer. Our bodies and brains flourish when nurtured by love. Compassion is to see and realize this oneness of all of humanity. Compassion is a great unifier. It moves us to go beyond the superficialities that divide us and connect to each other with love and care. So during the self-reflection now, you will take the time to cultivate compassion for your loved ones. Allow your heart to open to them, knowing that when your loved ones go through fear and anxiety, their experience is the same as yours. They seek to be free just like you do. They desire to be happy and loved just like you do. Begin by gently settling into a comfortable position. Take a deep breath as you allow yourself to slow down and relax. Allow a sense of stillness to come over your body as you prepare to open your heart and connect with yourself. Once again, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, gently close your eyes. Now, gradually move your total attention to the breath. Take 3 slow and deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose and slowly exhaling with control through the mouth. Just allow yourself to relax more and more with each breath. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling slowly through the mouth. Now, inhaling and exhaling through the nose, allow yourself to take slow and deep abdominal breaths. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. As you continue to take slow and deep breaths, consciously let go of any tension or tightness in the body. Just allow your whole body to relax and soften while continuing to take slow and deep breaths. Now, slowly reflect on moments when you felt anxious and afraid. Connect to your inner experience in those moments. The confusion, loneliness, and a feeling of inner chaos. Feeling limited and small, not knowing how to help yourself. Preoccupied with the stories in your mind, disconnected from others around you, not able to be present in your life. Anxiety and fear can be unpleasant, chaotic, and push you into doing unintelligent things. No one deserves to spend their lives limited by such emotional states. Now, take a few moments to connect with all your loved ones. Visualize each one of them holding them in your heart. Think of the moments when you've seen or felt them being stuck in anxiety and fear. The inner havoc that fear wreaks in them is the same in them as it does in you. When they are anxious, they go through stress just like you do. Having personally observed how crippling fear and anxiety can be, knowing how futile it is to hold on to it, now hold an intention that all your loved ones also be free of this painful inner experience. May each one of them experience the joy of letting go and the wisdom to live a life free of inner limitation. Now, gradually begin to reflect on the times you felt a sense of inner freedom. Think of the joy, wisdom, clarity, love, and peace that freedom brought along. When you feel free within, you are more present to life. You have much more energy to focus, create, or feel passionate. There is a greater intelligence in your thinking and actions. Connect to the beauty that exists when you live, love, and relate. Create, achieve, and contribute with a deep sense of inner freedom. Every day feels precious. Every relationship feels complete. Every person on this planet deserves to live a life of freedom. Now, take a few moments to connect with all your loved ones. Visualize each of them, holding them all in your heart. Hold an intention for each of them that they live an extraordinary life of freedom. May each of them be nurtured with the joy, love, and peace that happens in freedom. May their relationships and life be deeply fulfilling. Visualize their hearts filled with love and their faces radiant with joyous smiles. With this, we have come to the end of today's self-reflection. Take another deep breath, and whenever you feel ready, slowly move your body and gently open your eyes.